How to enable FaceTime on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to enable FaceTime on iPhone. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. FaceTime allows iPhone users for a face-to-face video conversation with friends and family over Wi-Fi or cellular. In a FaceTime call, you can also watch TV shows and movies, listen to music, and even work out together. So, to enable FaceTime, go ahead and launch the Settings application on your device. Now, scroll down and navigate to the FaceTime option and tap on that. Now go ahead and toggle on the button for FaceTime and further select your Apple ID or phone number you want to use FaceTime in. Once done, go ahead and open the FaceTime application on your device and further tap on the Create Link option and share the link in any social media platform to initiate a FaceTime with your friends and family. So this is how you can enable FaceTime on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.